into this world. But I suppose what's interesting is my relationship at this moment with...
You won't be conscious of the fact that it's ended.
I am completely sat in that camp. Caitlin, thanks again.
Thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.
Decomposing because he hadn't...
Is there anything that you saw there that you wasn't taking?
When you're confronted, when it's so close,
absolutely,
you know, and the smell is a smell that you'll never forget.
It is, and most people won't come.
Oh.
I've just sent a lady some... I think his death was not expected, but that will be a double funeral cremation next week. Or knowledge.
Instinctively, that feels sad.
Brought into care today, and we're finalising the arrangements just today.
No, today, I'm missing
so much death.